Welcome, everyone. Thank you to join us for today's webinar. My name is Javier Gonzalez, and I'm the Product Marketing Manager at Omron Europe. Omron is the leader provider of machine automation solutions for industry with more than 200,000 products delivering input logic, output robotics, and safety devices worldwide. Today, we are presenting our new safety light curtains and multi-beam series. By attending this webinar, you will discover how Omron can support you to implement solutions for machine safety. Let's go. So first question is, why safety at work is very important for you? One of the main reasons that when a company implements proper safety is that the employers feel safe and confident in the workplace. This is reducing the absenteeism rates, and also it is increasing their efficiency. Therefore, the companies increase efficiency and profitability when they are implementing safety. In addition, safety at work keeps higher standards for quality process, which increase the brand value and enables a company to win and retain customers, also increasing their business. Therefore, the companies are increasing their brand value when they are implementing safety. But even knowing what are these benefits, many companies, they are feeling that safety is hard to be implemented. What are the difficulties to implement safety? According to Eurostat studies, the work-related accidents and illness in Europe cost every year more than 476,000 million of euro, and only the year 2019, more than 45,000 visits were done by law inspectorates across Europe. As main conclusion, these studies have found that major difficulties in addressing the safety by companies were the complexity of legal obligations, the lack of expertise support, and the lack of time and investment. As my conclusion, the major reasons for companies to implement safety were maintaining or increasing the productivity and organization reputation, and avoiding fines from the labor inspectorate. And in such situation, what Omron can provide for you for implementing safety, for machine safety? We have consultancy service to advise you with legal aspects and safety standards. A worldwide group of experts that support you to implement the essential health and safety requirements in your company. And a complete automation solution, including all the aspects from the input, like safety sensors and emergency stop, to logic and output devices, like controllers and servo drives. So you can see here, from our safety portfolio, what we are going to talk today, it is about the safety light curtains and multi-beam series. So I'm glad to present to you the new F3SG SR PG series that are launched recently by our company, and they are offering all-in-one product lineup that covers all applications from machine openings to perimeter and access guarding. We are going to show you now what are your main advantages when you are using these new devices. Thanks to use the same compact profile for 80 application, you will simplify the selections and machine design, increasing design flexibility and standardization. So as we have all the applications in one design, you will increase this flexibility. So we are going to see now. What are? You see here, as you can see, we have finger, hand protection, arm, leg protection, and then body protection. This is for the SR range, and then for perimeter we have all the range also for perimeter guarding applications. You can see here how is possible, how we have covering all the different heights, every 40 millimeters even, for the range starting from 160 to 1 meter. Then for the rest of range, the space is a little bit higher. Okay, but it means that with this we are able to provide you the variety, all the heights that are fitting with protected area required. Okay, so another important improvement is the high resistance of the housing. Even with cutting oil environments such as machine tools applications shown by the picture. So the rose housing structure of the safety light curtain provides a very stable sealing performance, and it is resisting all the liquid penetration. So it's possible to operate at minus 30 degrees without any issue. And as I say, we are successfully tested our products for IP67, IP65, and IP67G, which is oil resistance. We can also provide you our high pressure wash down models with the highest IP protection, the IP69 model. Thanks to their long range up to 110 meters, and due to the unique high power optical design, our new series includes a very reliable sensing capability, even in harsh environments. This long range allows them to be used when a light beam is needed to redirection by mirrors, as you can see here, avoiding the limitations of perimetral distance, the long distance of perimetral, and the reduction of the mirror's correction. Okay, so here you see that in the application, thanks to this long range, we are able to work in the long distance, even including the mirrors. It is also possible to work even in harsh environment. So this is another example of application that we can see with the mirrors. Okay. Then so another of the advantages that we have for the new light curtains is the area beam indicator. When safety light curtains needs a fine adjustment of beams, especially for long distance, you can reduce installation time by the integrated area beam indicator. The maintenance time is also reduced thanks to the easy access of diagnostic information provided by the operating status indicators. So these indicators you can see here. Okay. This is the way how area beam indicators are showing the status of the safety light curtain. Meanwhile, the light shown is green. It means that everything is going fine. When it is changing to orange, it means that we need some adjustments. And when it is going to red, means the safety outputs are off. This is permitting to detect the problems before it happens, and to detect the problems when they are happening, before they are happening. Okay, thanks to the detection in this predefined value. So we can predefine a value before the safety outputs are going to off in order to catch this level and to clean, for example, the safety light curtains when we arrive to this level before they are switching off. Okay. So the reduction of replacement time, I'm going to present you to replace, let's say, to help you to replace the products, for example, the iTap device, what we name the intelligent type device. So it allows easily copy from old sets and restore to new sets by just plugging it without needed of safety PC. So sorry, so don't need to use a PC. Okay, so if you would like to get on-site monitoring, such as status and maintenance information using a mobile device, it is also possible to add a Bluetooth unit connected with this iTap by just changing the Omron cover. We are going to see more details of the main advantages to use the intelligent tab. So as I was saying, we can transfer data without connecting your PC. So in this case, you have to download the information from the PC to the intelligent tab, and then this device is getting the information in the memory, and then later you can download in all the different machines. So you connect it to the safety light curtain, you download the information, and then you transfer for all the different, you repeat the same for all the different safety light curtains inside the process. If you want to replace the safety light curtain, it is the same. You take out the old one, and then you take a new one to be replaced just by the intelligent tab. It is downloading for the new one the information that it was stored, and then you get the replacement make very fast and immediate. Okay. The last possibility also with the intelligent tab is to get a kind of wireless maintenance status, let's say monitoring, by taking a special device. This is a Bluetooth device that is covering the intelligent tab. It can be just connected by replace the cover of intelligent tab, and there you have the possibility to look all the different parameters by a mobile device. So via Bluetooth, it's possible to check what is the status of the beams and the different other maintenance parameters. Okay. So another of the things that is possible to use thanks to the intelligent tab is the information from IO-Link communication. Okay. So the use of intelligent tab provides also the possibility to communicate the safety light curtain by IO-Link field bus. And then it's becoming our safety light curtain IoT sensor that supply the real-time data of equipment. You can reduce the intervention time thanks to the IO-Link process data included in the system by obtaining an automatic location and identification of the issue. In addition, the IO-Link service data provide all the advantages related to predictive maintenance. So we can see that the difference between reactive maintenance and predictive maintenance is that the predictive maintenance is based in monitoring the equipment by using IoT sensor devices. The IoT sensors supply the real-time data for the equipment, and then analytics are performing the prediction when the equipment requires maintenance. Okay. So following this strategy, you can maximize equipment update and reduce maintenance cost. So as you can see here, we have the 3 steps. First, we get the IoT information, then we analyze this information, and then we prevent before it's happening, where we have to correct the equipment to avoid the problem in the future. Okay. So all of these functions and much more can be easily configured by means of SD3 Manager software, which includes the safety light curtain operating and maintenance monitoring. So you can download it from our website. The link has been provided during this webinar. Okay. So as you can see, the configuration tool includes all the functions that could be setting of the safety light curtain, like muting, like floating blanking or reset functions, and also provides a monitoring status, you can see here, on an incidents, as well as statistics information. So you have all the information by this tool, and you can configure all these different parameters by using this software tool. Okay. So, and now it is, I'm pleased to give the floor to my colleague Juan Miguel Del Amo. He's safety specialized at Omron Automation Center Europe, and he's going to present us how IO-Link service data can be used for special applications like the identification of different workpieces heights.
Okay, in this demo, we have an SR safety light curtain model with 25mm resolution performing a muting function. Then let's imagine we have in that side a machine with dangerous parts. I'm the operator, but I'm protected because my hand is detected, and when I try to go inside, the machine that is working, meaning green lamp machine working, when I try to go inside, the machine is stopped, okay? But at the same time, the cardboard boxes produced by the machine must go outside through the safety light curtain without stopping production, okay? Performing the muting function. Okay, in this case the muting function is in both directions. The cardboard boxes can go outside and can go inside without stopping the machine. Okay, here all the new accessories. For muting has been used. The new headlamp, which can be installed both in the emitter and receiver side in wire synchronizations, in optical synchronization only in the receiver as the previous generation. The muting sensors are mounted to support, for example, the E3 set photocells and the new CGN5 connection box that will simplify the wiring because only one cable is used to connect to the control panel. Okay. Moreover, according to customer desire, a height measurement is done by the safety light curtain to know the number of the boxes which are composing the column, up to 7 to associate each height to a specific color that must be shown in this lamp. Okay. To do that, the IO-Link communication available in the safety light curtain has been used to connect to an IO-Link master attached to the NX102 CPU with HMI and NA5. Okay. the most important to remember here is that IO-Link is not safe, and that's the reason why the safety relays are necessary in the demo. And also, as you can see, there is no safety CPU in the standard NX102 rack. Then let's go. Let's imagine that the machine had just produced, for example, 5 boxes column, and the lamp should indicate, in this case, the purple color when performing the muting. Let's see. Okay, 5 boxes column, so purple, it's okay. Finally, please remember that technical guide used in this demo, made step by step from scratch, from 0 level, is available with all the screens, all the code performed in this demo. Many thanks.
Many thanks, Juan Miguel, for your presentation. Now, if you have any questions, please type into the chat box, and I will answer the question as they come. So I see here one question. What is the meaning of the supplementary character G added to IP67 for the degree protection? So IP67G. So the G represents the oil protection. Means that this is according to the Japanese industrial standards. IP67 represents, as defined by the International Electromechanical Commission, the level, let's say 67, but then the G, it is coming from the Japan industrial standards. And it means basically that is passing the dripping cutting oil over the kitment during 48 hours. So then it should not be evidence of oil penetration inside the enclosure after 48 hours. This is the reason. Any other question? Okay, it is the SD3 Manager is possible to be used with other light curtains than the new series. No, unfortunately, you have to use the SD3 Manager only with the new one. You can use with the old or the current, the other series. You have the SD2 Manager for other series and the SD Manager. So you have to use the manager, the software related with each of the question. Okay. So protocol, the light curtain. So I have another question here. What kind of protocol the light curtain use or is implemented? In this case, what we are talking about, let's say protocol, I suppose is talking about the communication, the field bus protocol, because the safety protocol, of course, it is something, let's say, private to the Omron. So it's a private protocol used by Omron for the safety. But in case of the IO-Link protocol, if you are talking about the IO-Link, it is just showing the the IO link, let's say, it is just showing the monitoring information, and is not showing the safety part. It is just used for the standard signals, but not for the safety signals. Okay. So another question: how Omron team help with the design and of safety solution? So yes, we have the team that it is supporting in all the countries by giving you the complete, as I say, safety automation solution, providing you the sensors, the logic and the output, and telling you how to connect all of this by different ways. Okay. So I have another question here. What are the possibilities of simulation of the safety system based on the light curtains? Yeah, this is something that it is possible. It is possible to do, but it's something that I have to ask exactly what are the possibilities. I cannot tell you exactly what are, but this is possible. I know that with the safety PLCs, it's possible to make a simulation before to make the installation, and of course the safety light curtains are also included on that. So there are other question more. Okay. So then, thank you very much. And I hope that this information was interesting and helpful for you. And if you have more questions, so don't hesitate to contact our Omron representative, that it is located worldwide. So you will find always close to you an Omron representative that can support you and give you more detailed information. Thank you very much.